Okunye kwezinto engiye ngikhulume ngabe kusuke kuyinto eyiqhamuka mangikhuluma nabantu masi discuss izinto or sikhuluma indaba yokwelapheka. Lento ibiloku iyenzeka ever since nje ngaqala ukusebenzisana nabantu in terms of ukuthi sizama ukuzelapha inkingeni esinazo, be it edlozeni or kulento le astrology. I-mindset yethu masiza sizofuna ukusizakala, akumelanga kube into yokuthi sibe one-sided because kunama-energies asi-affectayo emhlabeni. Ama-energies edlozi esikhule sifundiswa ngawo ukuthi idlozi liyayivimba izinto zethu bese nathi sifuna ukuthi sizelaphe. But uma ufika uthi ngifuna ukuzozelapha, understanding ukuthi idlozi liseyinkingeni, musu kube umuntu othi ngiyayibona leyo nkinga yalo idlozi kodwa mina ngifuna lokho. Because you come across as if lapho wena u-selfish, uzicabangela wena naloko okudingayo. Bese ungabe usacabanga ukuthi the reason why ngingene kule nkinga in the first place is because lona lela dlozi lisenkingeni, lisebumnyameni, lisodakeni, lisengxakini. Maybe when you come ukuthi ufuna ukuzolapheka, iba umuntu othi ngiyabona ukuthi inkinga zami zenziwa yilona-ke. Kusho ukuthi lona alilunga libe right, aliphume kuloba bumnyama khona mina-ke ngizoba right. Okwami ukwelapheka kuzoqhamuka indirectly as a result of me sorting out lawo ama-problems abo. If umuntu okholelwa edlozeni to that extent. Kuyafana-ke nalana ka-astrology. I-birth chart yakho ichaza ukuthi ama-planet akho ayemi kanjani ngesikhathi owazalwa ngaso. Kunama-planet amahle, kunama-planet a-difficult, kunama-planet nje singathi in between, yabo. Awekho mabi ngaleyo ndlela futhi awekho mahle ngaleyo ndlela. I-birth chart yakho is a blueprint of your life ukuthi i-snapshot esathathwa on the day when you were born simi kanje. And that is gonna take you your whole life through. Izohlezi njalo angeke izishintshe leyo into leyo. Kunama-placements a-difficult, kunabantu abanezimpilo ezinzima ngempela kodwa basuke bedalwa i-placement yabo kwi-birth chart yabo. Leyo nto ngeke uzishintshe. Abanye abantu baney'mpilo ezi-right because ama-placements abo ayemahle. So certain things ezinjalo awukwazi ukuthi uvele uthi uzozishintsha. But all these energies, be it ukuthi astrologically or maybe uyenza ngezinto zama-ancestors, once you know about these things, uba empowered, uyakwazi ukuthi unavigate through these energies, uthola ama-portals ngasikhathi evulekile bese uyangena-ke lapho uzame nawo ukuthi izinto zakho ziphenduke zibe right. And on both these cases, kahle kahle, ayikho into enzima ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi ilungiswe. Because at the end of the day, universe iyodwa esiphuma kuyona sonke. It's just that abanye bethu baba stuck kakhulu edlozeni because of imfundiso ne-background. And then into yasedlozini yasikutshela ukuthi ilona elizokona impilo yakho, ilona elizolungisa impilo yakho. In as much as lingayona impilo yakho, kodwa mase kuthiwa kulungisa impilo yakho ngempela, the creator, the main source, the Godhead, uyena ophethe yonke into. Once waphuma kule mfundiso yokuthi idlozi liyayona impilo liphinde lilungise lona, uyokwazi ukuthi ubone ezinye izinto ezikwazi ukulungisa impilo besides idlozi. So when you dealing with into yokuzelapha, be ithi-ke usebenzisa ke imoya yasemkhathini, usebenzisa imoya yasemsamo, kodwa kumele wazi ukuthi at the end of the day uthando lona olelaphayo. Unconditional love of the universe ungayi-applya noma ikuphi, kodwa uma usugxile kakhulu edlozini wena, i-universe igcina isithi ngizokuyeka nedlozi lakho ngibone ukuthi uzofinyelela laphi. Uyothi musuqedile uzobe usuyabuyela-ke uze kumina. Nakhona ku-universe musubuye, i-universe is the source, is the light, is the creator, is the Godhead. So kukwena ukuthi uyibiza ngayiphi, but i-source ne-universe le ngikhuluma ngayo angisho le ozuyithole emuya esontweni, ngisho le ngaphakathi kuwena, which is universal. Sonke esibuya kuyona noma ngabe besikholelwa kweyiphi inkolo, kodwa masisiphindele umva futhi sonke siphindela kuyona. So nangapha-ke, when you elevate yourself to uthando, ila welapheka khona. You can apply uthando to both these things. Kodwa uthanda kulona nje uthando lolu lokuthi uthando nje lokuthi ngiyathanda, uthando lolu lokwelapha okukhulunywa ngalo nakwezinye inkolo ukuthi God is love. Uthando lujulile yilolo uthi muyinyusa wena kuma chakras wakho ufuna ukuphumelela uye phezulu elevate kahle, usuke ufuna lolo thando lolo. Maybe ke kusamele ukuthi sike sil-redefine kahle uthando ukuthi liyini, because izinto ezi-positive izona ezikulindela to uthanda. Izinto zokuthi angijaji mina izinto ezikulindela kulezo zinto enjalo. There is a lot of things esizenzayo thina ezisehlisayo zingasinyuseli othandweni, kodwa thina sithi sifuna ukwelapheka. Ezingasinyuseli kwi-positiveness, ezingasi-elevate, kodwa sibambelela kuzona. Njengendoda yey'nsimbi eyifuna ukukhishwa emgodini kodwa isathwele iy'nsimbi, and then at some point, you know, we need to leave behind ezinye izinto nama-limiting belief systems-ke, and maningi leyo nto sesiye sisho kalula nje ukuthi there are limiting belief systems, and then mase sikhuluma ngazo singabe we don't do anything about it, we only discuss it ukuthi this is what is limiting us, you know, but nothing is ever done, and nomuntu yena eyedwa uyasaba ukuwashiya. Ezinye izinto mhlambe zi-psychological zidinga i-therapy, sihlale phansi kusofa sikhulume ngazo ukuthi isenziwa yini, sibe ne-fear, you know, yokushiya izinto, because if ungakayishiya ezinye izinto nje angeke uze ukwazi ukunyukela ulapheke. So ama-practices ethu-ke anjalo ayasilimita when it comes to i-actual healing. Bese siba abantu ababa-selfish-ke masisi sifuna ukuzolashwa, sithi mina ngifuna ukuthi ngiphile ngithole lento engiyifunayo. Ungabuki lento le ekuphazamisayo ukuthi yona iyini. That is why mina ngenza ngikhuluma kakhulu nge-empowerment yokuthi let us know about ama-energies. Ngakwenza kwedlozi ngakhuluma ngayo lonke, ngaqeda ukuthi lisilimaza kanjani, yini esingayenza. But that time has passed, manje we are merging the two, idlozi nento ze-astrology, ukuthi osasele edlozini ongakaboni ukuthi kufanele alirelease kulungile, but learn about this as well. Maybe you are going to see ukuthi I can match these two things, because the key is ama-negative energies, cleanse and release them. Whether leyo nto uyayenza practically or uyayenza ngaphakathi wena ku-subconscious mind yakho, noma ngabe imapha ama-negative energies akubambile wena, kodwa release so that uzokwazi ukuthi ube lula and elevate yourself and fly to wherever you want to go, because kunezinto ezisiphambayo zisicindezele. And if we haven't gotten to a stage where we sit down and really discuss these things, you know, sithi open up about these things, because zisibambile psychologically, and we end up singabantu abathi masebeneyinkinga bese sithi angisafuni ngisho ukuxoxa mina, angisafuni ngisho uku-entertainer ini nani, ngifuna into ezongisiza manje. And yes, we don't know about ama-laws of the universe ukuthi isebenza kanjani for us to be able ukuthi sithole izinto. So when we learn about these things esemkhathini nani, it's because we need to understand ukuthi kunama-planets afana no-Pluto anzima ngendlela esimangaliso, ukuthi uma uneyinkinga wena kusuke kuyiyona ek-expectile ngendlela ethize. And then kunama-planets afana nabo-Jupiter, o-Venus, abaye bathi ma be-expecte kahle izinto zakho zilungu. Understand, study these things khona uzokwazi ukuthi uzipositione wena ngendlela e-right. The thing is, into ye-astrology ikufuna ungenazo ezinye izinto ezikusindayo, and I'm going to repeat this again, ngihlezi ngiyi-emphasize lento yokuthi into ye-astrology is about connecting to the energies ama-gods lawa above. So as above, so is below. Leyo nto isho ukuthi fanele uconnecte nayo, kodwa ungabi nezinto ezikusindayo ezingakuyisa indawo, because ungaconnecta nayo uyazi, u-understand ne-birth chart yakho, but deep down inside if usanama-limiting belief systems, you know, lawa athi if umuntu ekuthakathile nayo kumele uthi umthakathi uyiphindisele emuva leyo nto, usazoma wena ube senkingeni, because awukaka-understand ukuthi izinto ezenzeka kuwena zisuke i-orchestrate universe for a lesson okumele ukuthi uyifunde. Once wa-release lezo zinto lezo nalawo ma-beliefs lawo ukuthi fanele ngihlezi ngine-anger mina ngilwe khona ngizothola izinto zami, sikhona isikhathi sokulwa, yes, but be careful ukuthi wena ikushiye unjani leyo nto ngaphakathi enhliziyweni yakho nasemoyeni wakho leyo ukuthi wena uzohlezi ulwa. Understand futhi ukuthi yini ekwenza ukuthi ulwe, and try and move away from those things. Kodwa ungabi umuntu o-selfish ukuthi ngiyayizwa mina lento ye-astrology kodwa ngicela ningixhumanise no-Venus khona mina ngizothola uthando, ngizothola umuntu wami. There is no such. Impilo has a balance, inama-ups and downs, you know. So funeke wena uthole leya balance le esikhuluma ngayo, bese uyakwazi ukuthi uzi-empowerishe wena, uyisebenzise wena futhi, because akekho umuntu ozohlala ehlalele wena ebukana nawe ne-birth chart yakho. Wonke umuntu is navigating their own birth chart. Wonke umuntu uzama ukuyitholela ukuthi owami umnyango uzovuleka nini, khona ngizokwazi ukuthi ngiutilize le energy nale knowledge esengiyitholile ukuze ngikwazi ukuthi ngisebenzise to my advantage. Futhi lento kusiza ngokuthi when the aspects are bad, makukubi ngempela, mhlambe kuthiwa kuhlangana uPluto noSaturn empilweni yakho and bakufundisa izifundo nje, you know, that are showing you flames, uyakwazi ukuthi ke ungabi ne-anger le eze ikubulale wena ngaphakathi, because you understand ukuthi imhlathi nje kuphela, ubese nawe uba nalento yokumeditate towards those energies ukuthi Nkosi yami sekwanele, you know, ngiya-understand ukuthi ngikule position, but you know, just ease things off. When you come to these things with leyo mindset, izinto zikushayeke ngale ndlela yokuthi zishaye umuntu obengazi, because umuntu obengazi ukuthi kwenzakalani emkhathini. Uma zimshaya izinto uphuma ahamba yokohlasela, you know, aze enze nezinto ezinzima kakhulu ehlasela lesimo abhekene naso, kanti lezo zinto sezibulala yena ngaphakathi.